Welcome to FlipWolf MLS Deal Notification Free Trial. You're going to start receiving vetted properties via text or email based on your preferences. Make sure you save the number you received the text from under FlipWolf MLS Deal Alerts, and also expect an email from mlsdeals@flipwolf.com. Your text notifications will clearly show that this is an MLS deal notification. It's going to give you the city, the type of sale, the occupancy, days on the market, if it's a new listing, back on the market or price change, their asking price, their after repair value range, and also the rehab range. After that, you click on the link and you will see the details. The same thing goes for the email notifications. After you click on the link, whether if it's by text or email, please enter your email account. By entering your email, we will know your responses. The top section here gives you the basic information on the property. You have the asking price, the budget, and also the after repair value. Pictures, property information, agent comments, the comps. You can use this information the same way you do in Google. The listing agent information, detail comp and quick view, matrix, and filters we use to determine the value. Showing instructions will tell you who to call, in this case the listing agent for MLS deal notifications. And very important, your feedback. This information is going to tell us what you thought about our value ranges. If you think the repairs are too low, give us the number you think we should use. If the after repair value is correct, or you don't think this is a real deal, and tell us why. By submitting this information to us, our analysts will better serve you. If you already make an offer, contact the listing agent direct. If you have any questions about how to use this application, click here. If you want to update your preferences, a little bit about us, or contact us. Please don't forget to give us feedback of every property you're receiving. If you have any questions, call us at 888-550-2916.